How's it going, guys? Just replacing a ABS wheel speed sensor on the front left of a BA Ford Falcon XR6T. This is the replacement one I got. I've already started it. So basically, I don't know if you can see, that's it right there. And it goes into here, I believe. Which, when you look at the disc, it's right behind. Over there. That's how it calculates the wheel speed, I think, with that cog. Okay, so, yep, so I just managed to do that. It's an 8mm. There you go, 8mm. And then it goes up here. So you just follow this cable up there, that point. And it is this, that connector right there. So that one goes in through here, and you just follow it back to the hub.